the starting of the week. At Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's Sword and Gun Day. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's Sword and Gun Day.
Good day! Welcome to our Beauty Glow Salon website. My name is Joanna Garbo Juan and I am the project manager of this website. As a project manager, I am leading the development of this website to ensure it effectively represents salon brand and services. My role is to manage maintenance and oversee the design and functionality to create seamless and engaging experiences for customers. My role is to coordinate my team and manage timeliness and oversee the design and functionality to create a seamless and engaging experiences for customers.
Hello, welcome to our website. I am Francis Andres, your web designers in our website. I'm passionate and very creative web designer in our website. I love creating web designer because I'm interested in creating for social impact, learning new skills, and exploring new design trends in our technologies.
Hi, I am Jindy Munoz, a web data analyst. I am helped with optimize this online presence and improve user experience through data-driven decisions.
Hi, I am Jemel Tabala, the content writer of our website, and I'm the one responsible on what my coworkers say. And as a writer, I need to identify the ideas that can affect our website and that can help us to improve and help a business.
Hi, I'm Mariana Tumalba, the content editor of Beauty Glow Salon. My role is to create, review, and refine content to showcase the salon, service, share beauty tips, and engage with the audience.
Let us unleash your beauty and confidence. Only at Beauty Glow Salon.